And thank you. And Elaine.
So I just wanted to say I'm glad I can be at your book launch because I didn't know that I could be here this afternoon until plans changed. And congratulations on hitting best-selling author. And I don't change my backgrounds other than physically move locations. But the story I want to tell you, Patricia, is that when I was in Hawaii 2 weeks ago and was doing a Zoom webinar in the middle of our holiday, I got the times mixed up because the times changed in Canada, but not in Hawaii. And so my husband answered my phone. He said, Elaine, you're supposed to be on your webinar in 10 minutes. And I go, oh, and I literally did the Zoom call, but I did everything that you taught me in terms of, getting prepared, being comfortable and all that good stuff. So I did this webinar from Hawaii on the patio with dripping wet hair, no makeup, and the background reflection was palm trees out of the window behind me on my Zoom call. But Patricia, I just want to say thank you for the confidence that you've given me just to be in the moment. And I remember those early days when we were working with the Newfoundland young farmers, and I hired you to be my wingman. So I'm officially adopting you as my Zoom coach forever. and I try and keep things simple, but I just ordered your book because it's great to even just incorporate one or two new things. But just congratulations, and I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much, Elaine. I appreciate that very much. And yeah, those last minute in the time zones, especially when the times changed, that can happen to absolutely everybody for sure. So thank you so much for those kind words. And you made me think of too with the book. I really did write it so that it would be an easy, you don't have to read it from cover to cover, that you just pick a couple things. And when there is a certain, one of the chapter topics that seems relevant, that you can just go there and it's pick your own adventure, this has been an adventure for everybody. So thank you so much.